In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the finish on a side table lamp from silver to gold using spray paint. So looking for a cheap, easy, affordable way to change the silver on this lamp and make it gold. So I'm going to show you step by step in this video. I can do that using spray paint. Let's jump right in. All right, so the first thing we want to do is you just want to take the lamp part here to protect all the stuff that we don't want to get spray paint on. Alright, so I got everything covered up here that I want to get paint on. So just the top part, again, this is going to be covered by the lampshade anyway, so it's not a big deal. But really this back part here, I had a little plug. Again, I could plug like a phone charger in, so I just didn't want paint to get in there, so I put blue tape on that. And then just here around the electrical cord as well. Just didn't want to get paint on that or, you know, down inside. All right, so let's head out to the garage and we'll start paint painting. Okay, so I just laid down some cardboard here to protect the garage floor. So just the spray paint I'm using is just Rust-Oleum metallic. That says gold, bright shiny finish. So hopefully it will look great here. So just shake it up for a minute, and then just want to do kind of, you know, smooth, even strokes here. Probably going to take a couple different coats here. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do for one coat for now. Let that dry for a bit. We'll come back and do a second. All right, well, it's been an hour now that it's dried, and honestly, it looks perfect after one coat. So I'm just going to do a very light second coat here, and then let it sit. It's dried to the touch in about an hour, and then fully dry after 8 hours. So just going to make sure I didn't miss any spots. We're going to do this really lightly. All right, there we go. Second coat, it looks great. That should probably be enough. We'll come back in about 8 hours and put the lamp back together. Okay, so let the paint dry overnight. I'm just going to remove the tape here. I'm just going to put the lamp back together. Okay, so here's the final result. As you can see, it looks really, really good. It was a cheap, quick, easy project to do to change this finish from silver to gold, and matches the rest of the room. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for other DIY videos, and thanks for watching.